up close so you can hear better then.
Get him, Wei!
Smack him down!
You think you can beat up?
No, but if someone's gonna try, I'd rather you skip it.
We gotta get out of here!
Wait! Have some faith, goddamn!
Can't you do better than that?
Hey, kid! What are you doing? Get out of there! You can't kill him, Wei! Get out! Get out! Get on the roof now!
That guy is tough as hell.
Dead people are like that. He's supernatural, Wei. 僵屍啊嘛，係真係啊。Now you're gonna need Chinese magic to beat him. Go see Hou Fa Wu. He's got the best magic tea in the city.
Oh, are you shitting me?
You just try to punch out an undead creature, huh? And you think I'm kidding? 黐線嘅真係啊！
What the hell?
I'm a ghost. I can pretty much show up anywhere.
You know what's going on?
Sure. Smiley Cat is trying to take over. He's been talking about it down there since I got killed.
Okay, who the fuck is Smiley Cat?
I think he used to be in the Sun On Yi. From what I can tell, Uncle Po had him whacked. Seems like he was out of control even when he was alive. Last I heard of it, he was going to enslave the 18K somehow, then use them to take over our territory.
Son of a bitch.
Let me out, you rotting corpse! Help me! Go for the head! You need some magic? I got 2 for 1 sale today.
Changxi are overrunning the city.
No kidding. I'm Hao Fat Lao, not Hao Blind Lao. You want to defeat them, you're going to need my specialty. I need 3 ingredients. Ghost pepper, the egg of an albino hen, and antifreeze. The good stuff, not that crap they sell on the mainland. Be careful, Wei. The 18K are looking for this stuff too. I hear they're trying to make the tea themselves.
You hear how Smiley Cat got his nickname?
Isn't it a cat food?
Yeah. When he was alive, his street name was Big Scar Wu. Ponytail and a couple of the other guys killed him on Uncle Po's orders. They hit him with a car, then knifed him 42 times. They chopped up the body and put it through the grinder at the Smiley Cat processing plant. So Big Scar Wu ended up feeding house pets all over town. Ponytail didn't even put him into the high-protein mix. So a lot of the cats just barfed him up afterwards. One of the enforcers who killed him got off the week later, and when he arrived down there, he told the story. So now everyone calls Wu Smiley Cat. That could be worse. They could have ground him up into fertilizer.
my pepper alone.
I needed to fight Chang Shi.
Sorry, shop closed.
I need the egg of an albino hen. Right away.
Ah, you wanna fight Chang Shi? Okay, tell you what. See those kids? Punks keep tagging my storefront. Teach them a lesson, and the egg is yours.
What do you want? Fuck off, old man. Don't waste our time. You want trouble? Cause we can give it to you.
Good work. Here's your egg. Make sure your brewmaster knows what he's doing. It can be dangerous if he doesn't treat it right.
Damn it, Vincent. You gotta stop appearing like that.
Sorry, Wei.
You scared the shit out of me.
I said I was sorry. It's hard being dead, man. People didn't like me much when I was alive. But this is so much worse. Nobody lighting candles for me. Nobody making offerings. I never used to take that shit seriously. Turns out, it matters, man. It really matters.
All right. I'm sorry, okay?
Yeah, it's not your fault. Hell, you're the first live person I've talked to who didn't run away screaming.
Yeah, well, I'm in a car. Nowhere for me to go, is there?
Yeah, that's right. You were always a smart one, Wei. I'm gonna use that one from now on. Cars, places people got nowhere to...
That's not really what I meant. What's 18K doing here?
Victor, we need that stuff.
鬧你就贏，打就企定。
懟冧佢！你再埋佢單啊！
兄弟，收佢皮。
邊個收皮啊？俾佢見識下我哋啲嘢。
唔好停！收皮平啦！
我懟冧你啊！邊個唔好停啊？
爸爸走啦，打電話啦，唔係真係冇錯啊！
俾佢見識下我哋啲嘢。
以為開眼你拖啊！
埋佢單啊！
直接幫你。